like to explain you a little bit about the connection. So close your feet. Now watch, this is your spine. Now in new position, 0. Then you're gonna move your spine forward, +1, +2, +3, +4. Then you're gonna move back to 0, and then it's gonna go back, -1, -2, -3, -4, and that's all without taking a step, so within the same position. And now if we keep our arms in front all the time, we will feel, if I do the same, a connection between us. So this is 0. We feel just like we're holding arms. Then now you have to a little bit drift your spine forward to me, +1. Move a little bit more, +2, +3, +4, +5. So +5 is just like a number which represent maximum of your weight forward. So do maximum. Maximum is like where you're like literally falling, right? And then I give you a small signal to start changing to the next one. So you go to 0, and then you go back, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5 is like where literally like you're falling, but backward this time. And also, when you reach your maximum, you'll feel I give you signal to change. So you are doing the change, I'm doing the signal. So change, go, 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 more. So if I do not change you, you have to keep going forward. Keep going, +1, +2, +5, and then I'll change you. And then once I change, you're going -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. See, I'm changing you, you're going +1, keep going, +2, +3, +4, +5. I change you, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So number one, we have to understand, there is a 0 position where there is no like physical connection. Of course, you want to keep your tummy in, beautiful posture, but there is no really physical feel about it. And then there is, let's say, if you start moving your spine forward, it's a +1, +2, +3. So it's an ongoing, continuous process. And then after receiving a signal, you go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And now, your job is always be on the goal. Your job is always deliver +1, +2, +3, +5, or -1, -2. And my job is to give you signal when to change. I may change you on +1, or I may change you on +5. So if I didn't change you on +1, still go to +2, +3, +4. You see now I'm changing you, then you have nothing to do. So most of girls, they'll be standing. So what you want to do, you want to keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You see, you reach your -5, is keep going. My job to change you. You see, keep going, keep going. So my job is not to move you. You understand? So you're going to be moving yourself. Okay, so now we're going to do exactly the same, but you will be in this position. You take your step back, right? So you're standing on that leg, for example, and I give you back. No, just you're not going to take a step. You're only going to go +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and the same on this leg, -1, -2, so forth. See, so once you transfer weight, you're going to keep continuing +1, +2, +3, +4 until I change you. Once I change you, you're changing your weight because you're in this position of the backward walk. And if there is nothing happened, make sure you keep going back. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is your total of balance until I give you another signal. And then you do what? You change, 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 change. What you should avoid is to, let's say, when I change you, you'd go to +1 and you stop. So you want to be going +1, +2, +3, always delivering, increasing the energy, minus or plus. It doesn't matter. And that's where we're going to have a feeling of push and pull, but in very progressive, very alive way. So it's ongoing process. It's not really, oh, I feel your connection in or out. This is very ongoing process which never stops. Okay, and your job to continue as much as possible. That's why we're gonna learn, let's say, that you need to rotate your back thigh, you need to engage your rib cage, then you need to change your pendulum, you need to change another rib cage. So you can use all this knowledge to reach to your +5, for example. Tick, 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 tick. So in order to be in +5, if you remember from our technique, so when you're going to do +1, +2, +3, but you see now here in this position you cannot go anymore. So as you change your pendulum, you actually can already start pushing this chest forward, and you can hang even more deeper forward, right? So if happens, it's not always happens like this in dance. Yeah, you can already change and get like really deep. You feel it? And then I change you. So if I change you, what you're gonna do? Go back, -1, -2, and that's gonna be feeling of the hook. Go more. More. Boom. I change you. You go. What are you doing? More. Right. More. Boom. More. So it's constantly ongoing breathing process where you continue moving. Why you need this information? For example, if everything what we do is a hip twist and turns. Let's say you start beginning of your. Let's say even you start your routine. Like if you start basic routine, if you dance like this. So instead of just staying in zero position and waiting till I push you and go back, you're gonna engage all your knowledge, all your muscles, everything you know, and you're gonna deliver to me +1, +2, +3, and you see, then you can collect leg, and then I can send you back. This already will look more breathing, more volume, rather than just being in zero position all the time. And so the second I give you my arm, you have to give me +1, +2, +3, +4, so you collect leg, and now I can send you back. If I give you a little bit more, you can go -1, -2, -3, walk. Like for example, from here, if you want me to turn you, and you want me to turn you, you have to deliver ongoing energy forward. +1, +2, +3, +4. That's how you tell me that you want me to turn you. And you see, when you feel I'm increasing, turn me. Boom. So that's what you want to do instead of just getting here. And even you get in the very deep position, it's still stopped. We want to go continuous, and then he turn you. And once you get here, make sure you also in this 90 degree after your hip twist. You're not just up here, you continue +1, +2, +3, +4. Deliver, constantly deliver. In my style, I like to use only like forward, +1, +2. I very rarely use minus, but that's possible too. But in my style, I like to do +1, +2, +3, and then when you're going there, I want still you give me +1, +2, +3, and +1, +2. You see, I turn you, and here as I turn you, keep delivering the energy. Boom, 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 boom. Forward, continue, walk. Yeah, and now when you go into FN, +1, +2, +3, feel it? Boom. So the energy is always active. +1. And now you see, I will turn you, and I will do something different here. I'll turn you, and I'll give you back. So do -1, -2, -3, -4. And then if I go that deep, it's going to be always fast exit. Then we accelerate. And that in your routine, you have a few places like that where actually I want you to accelerate. So for example, if we start beginning your choreography, yeah, you start like this. So you have beautiful legs, beautiful position, but we have to start delivering energy, spine weight, +1, +2, +3, and then I decide when to go, when to give you. Do you feel it? Yeah? So it's very different. So there is two mistakes. Is when you're in zero position, there is nothing. Or the second mistake, if you give something, but it just stops on certain number. Like if it stops on number +2, it has to be alive. Keep going more. So that's how we communicate. Got it? So you give me the hand. Yeah, so now I feel your body as you go +1. And sometimes if you stop and you dance with me, I do my finger here, you see? So I'm trying to give you like memory to remember to do it. +1, +2, then I decide to give you. And I go to -1, -2, go, you see? If I give you this, you see? If I'm not stopping you, I give you this, keep going backward now, this time on the hook, which I use very rarely, but you should be able to learn to do this, yeah.
Just like this?
Yes, it's going to be a hook. Because you see, I give you more. And if I give you very deep on back, the exit going to be very fast because we're going to be super late on the music. We have to catch up. So we can play with that. Yeah, so let's try here. Do +1, +2, +3, +4. I give you signal. And from here, go -1, -2, -3. until I get you out. And remember, if you go so deep, you have to catch up. Walk, walk, and again, deliver energy here. Push, 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 and then wait for my signal for the next hip twist. Yes? Yes. So go. In, go back, -1, -2, yes. Walk, walk, here. And now here, for example, sometimes if I give you this, it also will be -1, -2, and then I can bring you back. Now from here, for example, if you got here, you have to always deliver forward or back. In your case, always do forward. +1, because it's cannot get wrong with it. Like here, for example, no, this was not very good because you did here and then you stopped. So I actually was turning you when you stopped. But what you should do, you should continue forward, 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 forward. So your spine, your shoulders already can be charged, but your spine continue forward, 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 and then at certain moment, yes, I'll catch your body weight and send you back. So go here, forward, 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 like move on me, move, 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 move. Well, do you see that? So I used your energy of moving forward and I just redirected rather than you being, static here and I really, move you. Understand the idea? And as we dance, we play with that. Sometimes you can go very deep on the hook. Sometimes you can go very deep on the push. We're going to play with that, react to what happens. In, walk, walk, and walk, walk. So here you have to stay forward. Now this is continue. Here should be feeling like you're going to pass me, like you continue past me. Boom, so I can turn you. Now from here, deliver me. +1, +2. Boom. Yeah. Yes. So you're going here and slide to replace. Yes. Slide to replace and then go +1, +2. Continue spine forward. Continue, continue until I redirect you. Got it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then continue with the next. Boom. Go connect. Boom. And you see, once you stay here, you did very good twist. But you see, between us, there is not much happening. So in this position, what you want to do? You want to deliver forward for me, +1, +2, +3. So I can feel a little bit like almost like you're pushing on me. Tick and go, tick, and continue, continue. See, continue there. Yeah, on me, Yeah, go, 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 go. Why you stop? You see, I'm here to only redirect you. You are here to move. Like I'm a driver and you are the car. So car, you drive your engine. I'm just like changing direction of it. Okay, so let's try it.
After you joined dancewitholeg.com, here will be your name. And go to video courses, click here. And this is all my private library. You see, we have all 137 videos. We have programs, we have new videos, ladies corner, samba, technique, 53 videos, drills, dance workout, a lot of American rhythm, footwork, choreography. So I strongly recommend to practice using programs because here lay down an order of how to do things. It is very, very effective. But you can do by the subjects too. And I update this library every day. Sometimes I post 8 videos every day. So welcome to see it, enjoy it, and enjoy.